Want to instantly organize your data in Excel? 2 quick ways to turn messy data into a smart table fast.
First, just press Command+T for Mac or Control+T for Windows. Now you've got a clean, filterable table. Option 2, go to Home. Then Format as Table and pick a style. Either way, your data is now ready to filter, sort, and analyze instantly.
In summary, we learned 2 ways to simplify work and amplify impact by turning messy data into a smart table. First, by using the shortcut command, Command or Control+T. Second, by following the menu path, by going to Home, then Format as Table. Apply these in your daily work and share this video with someone who needs it. Simplix. Simplify work and amplify impact. Follow for more productivity tips.